In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Canva projects by utilizing the Elements feature effectively. Whether you're designing a poster, a social media post, or any visual content, knowing how to search and incorporate elements can transform your work into something really eye-catching. Let's dive into the steps. First, you're going to open up Canva and navigate to the workspace where you have your design. Once you're there, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find a vertical toolbar. On this toolbar, look for the option labeled Elements. Click on this to open up a treasure trove of design resources, from lines and shapes to illustrations and icons. With the Elements panel open, you're now ready to explore and find the perfect addition to your design. Imagine this as your personal library packed full of various graphics that you can use to bring your project to life. In the search bar located at the top of the panel, you can type in specific keywords related to what you're looking for. For instance, if you're in need of a basic geometric shape, simply type shape into the search bar. Once you hit enter, be prepared to see an array of options spread out before you. The search functionality is designed to give you a broad yet relevant selection, ensuring that you find something that fits your thematic requirement. A little tip: if you have a particular style in mind, you might find it helpful to add additional descriptors to narrow down your search results. While browsing through the available elements, take a moment to consider how each option aligns with the overall aesthetic and message of your design. Once you stumble upon an element that catches your eye, all you need to do is click on it. Canva will automatically add it to your canvas. From this point, you can easily move, resize, or customize the element to better fit the look you're aiming for. Remember, the key is experimenting. Don't hesitate to try out different elements until you discover the perfect blend for your composition. Mixing and matching various elements can often yield unexpectedly beautiful results. It's all about finding what works best for your particular design vision. So there you have it, a straightforward approach to mastering the Elements feature in Canva. With these steps, you should be ready to enhance your designs with creativity and flair. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you create even more stunning visuals with Canva. Happy designing!